been on here in a long time.
That's true. Anyways, we are working on Lurky and Invisible.
What that mean, guys?
Yeah, he's gonna get new eyes. You're gonna paint him now. Don't worry about it.
I got some paint on me.
Earlier, Lucy was complaining that she was really sleepy. So why are you acting like this now, huh?
Power nap.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna give you another plate. I'm gonna give you some round. So I started working on a Brian top the other day. I cut apart a race car driver to make him a little bit taller and
Yeah, we just had to murder a race car driver.
yeah, but we made him live. So now he's Brian from the show. Hey Lucy, how old are you? How old are you now?
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
How many fingers are you now? No.
No, you're not.
No. It's 1 finger and 5. No, you're not 7. No, not 7.
You're not that bigger.
Okay. There you go. You're 6.
There you go.
You're 6. There you go. Dylan's gonna work on Brian's head. He's gonna paint his hair brown.
Is this from Eric?
No, it's not.
Oh.
But he has a similar hair color to
Yeah,
Eric.
it reminds me of Eric from Little Mermaid.
We're gonna switch you over there so they can see what Dylan's doing. So I gotta make some more clay so I can finish up my Lurky. He's almost there. So what Lurky needs he needs a shoulder to attach his arm to. I'm gonna hold up a bomb and we're gonna do some more details.
Lurky, I found it.
So we're going to like give him another layer underneath and then make them look more like tennis shoes with laces and everything. They're like high tops.
Hi, Lurky.
On your feet, Dodo breath. They're getting away!
Anyways, we're gonna add some wire for his antennas because he actually has like little feelers coming out of his head. So they're gonna go here and we're just gonna add it. And then when it's all dry, we can paint him! Yay! Don't put any paint on your face, okay? Don't eat paint. Remember kids, don't eat paint.
Wise words.
Product placement brought to you by Pringles.
This video is sponsored by Pringles.
Okay, Lucy. I gotta finish making some more clay. You're back? Okay.
And I have a monkey.
Oh.
Hey, Mom.
Alright. Covered up that whole bunch of armors. Work on you today.
Those slackers!
Okay. Alright. Now let's get back to working on building a shoulder.
Nom 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 nom!
We ate them.
Well, it sounds like 2 little chub tubs have earned their dessert.
You're too kind.
Dot. Dot. Dot.
Lucy, don't put a dot on me.
Why are you dotting? Why are you dotting, Dylan?
Don't dot me.
Don't be a dotting.
That is not okay.
It's not a dotting.
This is the paternity of my mother.
I mean, look at what Lucy did.
She's very silly. Where'd that come from?
I don't know. She said she found it on her plate or something.
I brought it out of my white.
Oh, so it's dry glue? Or dry paint, I mean?
Yeah.
Dry paint.
Dry glue. Captain Underpants watches some men try.
Tra-la-la!
No. While you're thinking, don't do it. Give it to me. Bad.
Bad, Lucy, bad. Okay. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, here's the shoes we're gonna be working on. These little shoes. So we already built the base, now we're gonna elaborate on them. See those?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right, for Lurky. I thought
No, not
we're talking
Murky.
about Lurky.
Lurky, they sound one way. Okay, what do you think about doing some more, another coat on?
I could do that.
Alright. Okay, so we've added the side flap to his shoes, gave him a tongue, you see, and now we're starting to add some shoelaces. The shoelaces, yeah. I'll continue working on that. Okay, so other side, need some holes poked in it for where our shoelaces are going to be. So one's there, and one's there. Okay, and do it on the other side. Although it'll be much harder to see on the inside. Okay. Okay, so we have the holes for the laces. Okay. Now we make the laces look like they're coming out of the holes. Okay, so we're going to take this little piece here, and we're going to put it right here, and then make it look like it's coming out, okay? I'm trying to show you up close what I'm doing here. Poke it into that hole. See that hole? We're going to try to make it look like it's coming out of that hole, okay? Make the other side to make it look more distinct. And there we go, we got a shoelace coming out of that hole. I'll do the one on the other side. Alright, okay. So up close, we can see the laces on both sides. They're not tied. There you go. Very good, I like it.
I like it.
Okay, so this is gonna be his little antenna. It's kind of wild and springy and crazy looking. Yeah. Got these little dots on the end of his crazy little antenna things. So, I'm gonna make those real quick. Okay, I've got his little antennae things. They're not really as big as they should be, but I think it works for me. What do you think? I thought it should be a little bigger. I'm alright with it though. What we're gonna do is I need to add a little more stuff right underneath his eyes. We got his little more reinforced underarm hair going on there. Okay, so this is supposed to be able to hold this. Okay, really quick, we're going to paint his little palm. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.